Hello everyone, Johnny Thunder, EAS&Weather here with your day 1 fire weather outlook. There's a critical fire weather risk area for today that encompasses most of Nevada, southeastern California, northern Arizona, most of Utah, and west central Colorado. Taking the elevated fire weather risk area for today includes Las Vegas, Nevada, Henderson, Nevada, Paradise, Nevada, Sunrise Manor, Nevada, and North Las Vegas, Nevada. And you notice there's an elevated fire weather area today covering extreme southeastern Oregon, far northeastern and southeastern California, parts of Nevada, parts of Utah, parts of Arizona, northwestern Mexico, parts of Colorado, parts of Wyoming, and parts of west central Nebraska. And you'll notice the brown outline here. You'll notice the brown outline. The brown is where we have the highest potential for isolated dry thunderstorms today. Alright? The brown area is the potential for isolated dry thunderstorms today. So yeah, dry thunderstorms are thunderstorms that occur without any form of precipitation. Alright? The air is so dry that the precipitation evaporates before reaching the ground, so you're just left with thunder and lightning. And whenever you have that, if lightning hits the ground, it can spark a fire. Alright? Dry thunderstorms can spark fires. Alright? So, in synopsis, an intensifying upward trough over the northwest is forecast to spread eastward into the northern Rockies and southern Canada today and tonight. Excuse me. So, a lee low is forecast to deepen over the northern Great Basin and northern Montana before moving northward into southern Canada. Stronger flow aloft will move southeastward, overspreading a dry and hot air mass over much of the western U.S. This will promote widespread elevated and critical fire weather conditions atop dry fuels from the Great Basin to the southwest. Isolated dry thunderstorms are also possible as moisture increases across the central Rockies and High Plains. So, that's your day 1 fire weather outlook. I'm not going to read the rest. Because the synopsis pretty much covers everything. So, anyway, remain safe and vigilant in these areas today. If I were you, I would gather supplies immediately, such as food, water, clothing, toiletries, medical supplies, a flashlight, a cell phone, phone chargers, extra batteries, and a battery-powered radio in the event that you need to evacuate on a moment's notice, because, fires can start and spread quickly. Please avoid outdoor burning in these areas today. Because all it takes is one little spark for a fire to start and spread quickly. Do not throw cigarettes on the ground. Do not throw cigarettes on the ground, even if they're not lit. Because 1, that's littering, which is illegal and unsafe, and it can result in an illegal penalty. And 2, all it takes is one little spark for a fire to start and spread quickly. And make sure your cigarette is fully out before throwing it away. So, stay safe in these areas today, and I will have my day 1 severe weather outlook very soon. Take care.